Hey there, welcome to my channel Multi-Home Decor. Today, we're talking about wall decor, yes, the eighth wonder of the world. Many of us struggle with filling big or empty walls. I'm going to show you easy, budget-friendly, and creative ways to transform your walls. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why wall decor is tricky. Overwhelmed person surrounded by small frames. Wall decor can be tricky. Too many frames, walls that feel empty, or hanging everything at the same height can make a room feel flat. But don't worry, we've got solutions. The key is adding dimensionality, playing with unexpected heights, and using texture. Section 2. Adding depth and variation. Sculptural shelves, tapestries, and wooden wall decor. Here are some easy ways to add depth. Use sculptural shelves, they can act as art themselves. Hang tapestries or handwoven rugs to make flat walls vibrant. Avoid hanging all art at the same height, mix it up for a dynamic look. Add wall texture with grass cloth wallpaper, peel and stick beadboard, or picture frame molding. Section 3. Decorating a giant wall and gallery ideas. Large wall with one big artwork or DIY frames. How do you handle a giant wall? Go bold with one large artwork for dramatic effect. On a budget? Create DIY pieces with wallpaper, prints, or a set of trios. For gallery walls, you don't need a perfect grid. Keep it eclectic and fun, but make sure spacing is tight. Mix in mirrors, plants, or organic shapes for extra interest. Section 4. Budget-friendly DIY hacks. DIY wallpaper frame, postcards, thrifted frames. Here are some affordable hacks. Place beautiful postcards in thrifted frames for instant art. Frame pressed flowers for a natural, personal touch. Create a custom frame with thrifted frames, wallpaper, and Mod Podge. It looks like a designer piece. Thrift stores and stationery shops are gold mines for unique papers and frames. Section 5. TLDR and fun advice. A person happily decorating walls, putting holes, and smiling. The most important tip? Break the subconscious rules you've been following. Don't be afraid to hang art low. Avoid matching everything too tightly. Holes aren't scary, experiment and adjust as you go. Remember, wall decor should be fun, expressive, and full of surprises. Fully decorated, cozy, stylish wall. Your walls can tell a story. Statement pieces, textures, and gallery walls add your creative touch and make your space feel alive. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite wall decor hacks.